Dad, I cannot prove myself till the time we are dependent on traditional methods of constructing our factories.
It's been over 8 months, Dad, and we haven't been able to start off with our new factories yet. And the reasons are the headache of coordinating with multiple agencies for cement, for steel, for colors, or for claddings. Lack of space to park or keep construction equipment at site. Overshooting budgets to attain perfection. What if I tell you that I have a solution to all of these, where we will get perfect design? 90% of the building will be pre-constructed in a factory, and there will be no hassles during erection of the factory, that can start to operate in no time and without any mess.
Really? How?
Everest pre-engineered building is the solution. I've already consulted Harsh Uncle, and he's at present at the Everest factory in the Hedge to give us a complete understanding of how pre-engineered building works.
Good morning, Arvind Bhai and Ashutosh. I'm so excited to be here at Everest PEB factory in the Hedge near Bharuch. The factory over here has a single window building solution. It is a state-of-the-art plant with latest technology and machineries with a battery of designers at your service. They build factories, warehouses, institutional and commercial buildings. This is the factory where the building plan is conceived, designed, planned and partially constructed only to be assembled at the actual site. Till date, they have convincingly constructed 1,500 buildings in no time.
Sounds a bit too good to be true.
What Everest offers is particularly convenient. With the modern methods of construction, which is particularly pre-engineered buildings, what we offer is convenience during constructions.
Within the given parameters of pre-engineered building systems, we can achieve the same kind of design theme, the same kind of aesthetic persona, the same kind of proportions required to make the object look really beautiful.
So here we are, now inside the Everest PEB factory, where you can already see the state-of-the-art machines work. And not only that, a complete able team that scrutinizes your site, area and geographical conditions to further design according to it. It is not easy to visualize and execute the same practically. But at Everest, their team is highly experienced. Let me take you through the whole process. It is unbelievably smooth. At Everest, the entire process is automated from the very raw material stage till the final beams and connections. At first, the raw material sheets are unrolled and cut into pre-calculated pieces that are now ready to be put into the seaming machine with a bit of human touch. Here, every piece is being seamlessly connected to go through the H-beam rolling machine that smoothly creates an I-beam or an H-beam through the auto welding machine to strengthen the beam. Though this process is all automated, every bit of the motion is monitored via high-end computerized scanners to match the blueprints. As soon as the beam is being cut, welded and smoothened, it now goes through the drilling, fit-up and welding. This process is a human-driven machine precision. As the fit-ups and drilling get all done, the structures are now brought into the finishing area. This is the area where the structures go through a shot blasting process before they are cooled and painted. A uniform painting is done with blow spray nozzle to attain a smooth and flawless look. Eventually, they are calculatively and safely loaded on carriers to be sent to respective sites to further get assembled as per design.
The Gujarat plant in particular is one of those. We could have built it anywhere, but we brought it close to Gujarat because we wanted to be close enough to our Gujarat customers so that we could deliver it faster, better, and the customer also feels a little more comfortable, particularly in Gujarat. When the factory is next door, you feel that you are in safe hands.
Our firm has dealt with Everest PEB for last 2 years. During this period, we have observed excellent technical support and detailing from their side.
Son, are you trying to tell me that I don't have to speak to multiple vendors and negotiate with them? And Everest PEB is a single-stop solution?
Yes.
And there will be no hassles, no tension?
Yes, Dad.
And will it be done in lesser time?
Yes, Dad.
And do we save money?
Of course, yes.
And is it weatherproof and earthquake-proof?
Yes and yes, Dad. Everest ensures there are no cost overruns no delays in the project. They ensure that while work goes on, we relax and we focus on other important works. And most importantly, since the Everest PEB factory is just a few kilometers away in the hedge, we will get good service and prompt delivery. Our project will be finished on time, as Everest holds a reputation of best service and delivery. At Everest, it is an end-to-end solution. Right from foundation to cladding and roofing, you get it all there.
Exactly as designed. Roofing materials are framed via entire coiling to bending process, beginning with cutting as per calculated drawings. As the elements then go through sheet roll forming through a single machine process, attaining flashing that eventually results into purlins. The purlin roll forming process gives an exact calculated rolling. The bending process gives the final shape to all types of purlins. Once they are ready and out from the machine, they are ready to be loaded and fitted on site.
The package that we offer to the customer is really start to end. The customer would just need to think about what he wants to do in the building, the heights, the lengths, the widths, and we would really turn around the drawings and manufacturing and the installation at site. So it's really a complete package that would be turned around for the customer.
Our association with Everest Industries for when they initially ventured into PEB system provider, it happened in 2008 when they pre-qualified for a project called Geomon Electric at Gujarat. It was a very complicated project wherein we found them very proactive, very cooperative. We could satisfy all the milestones within the given quality parameters. The project was complicated by virtue of its curvilinear roof with long spanning, 25 meter spanning base. And we had a very beautiful association with them.
We jointly with Everest convinced some of the clients to go with a prefabricated structure, and we have executed a big project near Rajkot, and that project is successfully completed. આ પ્રોજેક્ટની અંદર કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન સિક્વન્સ એક બહુ મોટો રોલ પ્લે કરે છે, કારણ કે પ્રીફેબ્રિકેટેડ સ્ટ્રક્ચરનું ઇરેક્શન થાય ત્યાર પછી જ અમુક પ્રકારનું સિવિલ વર્ક્સ આગળ વધી શકતું હોય છે. સો અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડિંગ ધોઝ સિવિલ એક્ટિવિટીઝ અને એ એક્ટિવિટી પ્રમાણે ડિઝાઇન કરીને સ્ટ્રક્ચરને ડિલિવર કરવું અને ઇરેક્ટ કરવું, that is very important, which Everest has done in this project.
Son, this is now your chair. You deserve it. You have brought the company to the next level.
No, Dad. It is because of commitment of Everest, on-time finishing and quality control, that made us do so. I just coordinated.
It's truly a timeless structure.
In much less time.
From layout to landmark, under one roof,